Good morning, it's travel day. I am doing a chin mask, not a face mask, while I am getting the house ready. Got my dog outside, and my youngest stayed the night at a graduation party last night and is dressing us out because she's coming home this morning, and she's stopping by to check on my mom's cats, and then she'll be home, and everybody else is still sleeping up in bed, but we're leaving in like an hour. So hopefully everybody will be ready to go soon. And I'm going to Destin this morning, Destin area, seaside, and we've never been there before, so we're really excited. And hopefully the weather will be great for the flight, so I don't have to stress out about that. And I'm sorry I did that. No. Party like a rock star girl is home from her all-night escapade.
My cauldron cup.
With her cauldron cup. And now we're getting ready to roll, packed our cookies, and she's getting ready to pack her gummy bears for the long trip. It's not even really that long. Yeah, she wasn't gonna leave Colin her brownies, so she's eating them for breakfast.
3 days travel.
In the tram on the way to the airport. Excited! Look who we found at the airport! Yay! So you're going to Toledo?
Toledo for work,
Oh, okay. That's why she's
At
alone.
least it's not winter.
75th anniversary of our airport. It was so nice running into Linda. She's getting ready to drive 3.5 hours to Toronto. And we won't make it to Florida by then because my husband likes to get to the airport early, although it's not early as he would normally like, but I'm glad we're not standing in these lines. Of course, I was checked, pulled for random electronics check, so he had to go through my bag and get out some electronics to scan. I only had my phone, so it was quick, but it was kind of funny. Now we're headed to the lounge for this. Heading out on our anniversary trip for 21 long years. I wasn't looking at you for that. I was looking at you because you're one. You're making a face. 21 long years. Cheers. Cheers.
That's good.
It's tardy good. So Karen apparently just butt FaceTimed. Oh, look at that. There's nothing on the screen. Thank you. We're good. Thank you.
Oh, she's
hung up on me. Dang it. She was just missing us and wanted to chat.
I know. I was like, oh, honest. I have to say, my proudest cousin moment. Elizabeth asked Karen to buy her a Harry Styles song
Dear God.
because I made him listen to it,
And she liked it.
and she loved it.
She liked it. Yeah, there was something at the pool she said she was listening to that she liked.
It was the Harry Styles one, and she just.
Oh, is it the sushi restaurant one?
No, it was called Matilda.
Oh, I love sushi restaurant.
That's weird.
You're weird.
He finished his mimosa and my mimosa. He's gonna be a treat on the flight. A sangria, yeah. You're right, you're right. Espresso. The coffee machine has been being worked on all morning and it just now got finished. So we're gonna have a quick espresso shot before we leave. here is
See
a
him? Look at him. There's the fighters right there.
Apparently there's like fighter jets over there. Here is a helicopter. And then down over there, jet fighter thing. You see him? Hi, Chirpy Chirpy.
Don't patronize him.
Aww. You guys have a nest up there and he's fussing at us because we're all too close. He's huge. That's what she said. Sorry, I'm reading an office book right now. They say it constantly. Can't get it to save my life. All right, I'm gonna take a quick video of every nook and cranny of this car. No bumps. Desperate times calls for desperate measures.
Oh, Dad, look at this.
I've seen that sandwich.
This is a heart attack right here.
That's good stuff right there.
Does look good.
Let's see you eat that
It's
sucker.
a little thick. She's falling asleep.
What did he say?
He said, "There's a pelican."
Where?
And you went,
Back there.
I know, like a while ago you went, huh?
What's that?
Nice. Oh, wow. This is it.
So that pulls out?
Yeah.
What's trash?
This is the other one we got a bedroom.
Yeah, I thought this one was a one bedroom, but I guess this is a studio.
I mean, it's studio.
There's pizza. Oh yeah, we look right on that little village.
Yeah. Is it a
Little
little mat?
Oh look, we got little chairs so we can set our stuff on.
Yeah, here's chairs for the beach, a beach bag, beach blankets and towels, and an umbrella.
The only complaint is we don't have a stove top.
Really?
Just a microwave and a toaster oven.
Oh, we
Which
got a
is
wine rack.
fine. We'll
Oh my
just-
God, there's no stove.
Yeah.
But there's a toaster oven.
Okay.
So like an air fryer. It'll work.
And that's, okay. And that, okay, okay, okay.
Trash cans under the sink.
Should we slap for the bed? Nah.
All right, anybody need to use the restroom?
No, you're not going first.
Okay.
Ready?
Let's go.
Nice. We're leaving. We're leaving. We're leaving. Beach. Look at our porch. We have the cutest porch in the hallway. We have a very beautiful little spot. Now we're gonna head to Publix and get some wine. And then we're gonna go to the beach. Some wine. get, can't even see, $350 worth of groceries, alcohol, and beach toys later.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
First drink of the trip.
First drink of the trip. No, it's not.
It's not. You had a drink this morning.
Oh yeah. We were still at home. That didn't count.
Taste test. This Riesling and this Riesling. This one has sweet in the name, but the last time that I got one that said sweet in the name, I didn't like. So I started with this one. And we're gonna see which one is better. We be walking to the beach. At least we're gonna work off our wine on our way down to the beach. Right? That's good. And the turkey we just had too. Ooh. Weary travelers. We left the house this morning at 9:15. We're making it to the beach at 5:45. Woohoo! Ooh. Take your power. Girl, you tell us how it is. With her hoppity hop. Is it cold?
That's gonna be a nice sunset right there.
It is.
You might not want to do stuff like that, because it's gonna end up on the internet.
Okay, I'm not going into politics. I think we should all get in the water.
As soon as I rest from that long walk.
Okay.
Although you didn't sell it with your jumping, I'm just here for the ambiance. I really probably shouldn't bother with the noodle, except like I think the heat of the day. I might have a sherbet in my hand. Woo! Earth wedding! Wine in my bottle. Cheers. She gave up on her tube and now she's just got our noodle. Looks like it feels good. It's like 6 o'clock at night. They're kind of crazy. I'm gonna be here till the sun goes down, and if I get in the water now, I'm gonna be so cold before the sun goes down. So I'm just gonna chillax here on the beach with my wine. I'm just taking a video right now, and I'm trying not to be obvious, but this is Drew Lachey. And Franny's doing yoga on the beach, but our friends left. But we watched. He went up those steps to those places, which is right near, like that's the steps to go to our place, but we're across the street. We're guessing he's in that actual complex there. And my husband was the one that actually noticed who that was. I'm embarrassed to say that I didn't. I was reading my book. I didn't even think about it, but when he said, I think that's Drew Lachey, I was like, oh, let me go look. He's like, I know it's not him, but it looks like him. So I looked and then I saw his tattoos and I'm like, yeah, all his tattoos are in the right spot. So they're like, well, just yell Drew, see if he looks up. And I'm like, no, I don't want to be like that. So I just went down to the water and kind of like walked and splashed my legs and got a good look at him and his wife. And I'm like, oh, yeah, that's them.
Like a mistake constantly made by those.
Very fun first day.
Dad, will you come over here? Stop it! You're fine. I don't want to ditch you. I don't want to fall. It's gonna hurt. I don't want to fall. You're fine.
It's sand. Come on. It's not concrete.
No, you're gonna drop me. No, I feel you. No! We all got it. No, I didn't. I got you.
We're supposed to be. Are you okay? And we just watched a wedding on the beach. Oh, how exciting. Dang, man. This is the place to be tonight. They did. They just got married. At sunset at Rosemary Beach. All right, first day at the beach down. It was a pretty eventful night. We saw a wedding. We saw Drew Lachey.
Oh, it was a wedding? I thought it was engagement.
No, it's a wedding.
I think it was a wedding.
Yep, it was a wedding.
No, it might have been an engagement.
Nope,
No,
it
it
was
had to have been a wedding. She had flowers. She knew.
Flowers.
Yeah. Anywho, can't wait to see what tomorrow might bring. All I know is we're making a Walmart run
Got that on the knee.
to get better chairs because Mama's too old for the chairs they left in the condo. And now the walk. Love these palm tree lined walkway. Squeak, 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 squeak,
I'm not
squeak.
squeaking.
That is me and Dad. That's funny. Oh yeah, Chacos. Chacos make no noise. Our flip-flops do. Thinking of you, Vicky. First stop of the night, Walmart. This Walmart is fabulous. It is so super huge, like superstore huge. And there are a crap ton of people in here. A lot of them are teenagers, just like going crazy. Bill's like, where are all the parents for these teenagers? Lots of people obviously buying chairs. We found chairs for $7. A lot of the like fold out chairs were like 40 bucks a piece. We're just gonna leave them in the room. So we were pretty excited because they fold up nicely and carry nicely, and they were $7, $8 bucks, something like that. And it got a little cooler. Totally worth a 10-mile drive to Walmart at 8, 9 o'clock at night. Productive. Oh, I didn't mean to hit you. You hit me. Family that lays together stays together. Bill's just mad he's in the middle.
You guys are comfy.
I'm comfy. This is a big bed.
I do mine.
Good Lord.
What are you trying to do? Nighty night, Fran. Yeah, I don't know how you're gonna, like, what you're gonna do. Like, you stay up 4 hours after we go to bed